Huawei FreeBuds 5 is a brand new wireless Bluetooth headset that Huawei will officially launch at the new product launch conference on March 23, 2023. Huawei's FreeBuds series wireless headsets have always focused on the high-end market, whether it is sound quality or noise reduction, with a lot of competitiveness. This time Huawei has a subversive design on the brand new FreeBuds 5 earphones. I believe that when this earphone is officially launched, it will definitely bring a lot of surprises to users. Friends who like to use wireless Bluetooth headsets and have enough budget can consider starting after the official launch of this headset. The body of the earphone is composed of a full curved shape, and it is matched with frost silver color. It looks like a water drop, so Huawei FreeBuds 5 is also called a water drop earphone. The digital peripherals with functional attributes become more like a well-designed accessory, and the decorative attributes are also directly full. And in terms of color matching, although the one I got is frost silver, there are 3 colors in total. This time there are classic ceramic white and the newly launched coral orange color. In-ear headphones have better passive noise reduction effects and airtightness, so they often have more advantages in sound insulation. Adding active noise reduction algorithms makes it easier to achieve immersive noise reduction. At this point, many users of semi-in-ear headphones feel envious. The new upgrade of Huawei FreeBuds 5 also brings a better noise reduction experience. The left and right earphones of Huawei FreeBuds 5 each use 3 microphones to pick up sound together. Compared with the common dual microphones noise reduction, it is more luxurious in hardware configuration, and the noise reduction has upgraded the human ear adaptive adjustment technology, which can be used for different people. The ear canal matches the best noise reduction parameters. According to the actual measurement, the depth of noise reduction has been greatly improved, especially the low and medium frequency noise, which has been filtered very cleanly in outdoor scenes, and some high-frequency noise such as car horns will be retained to ensure that some high-frequency reminders will not be missed. When the noise-canceling earphones are turned on, they will send out anti-phase sound waves with the same amplitude as the noise to cancel the noise for noise reduction. However, when these sound waves are superimposed on the music sound waves, certain frequency bands of the music may also be interfered, so actively, it is not an easy task for noise-canceling headphones to achieve high-fidelity sound quality. At the same time, the shape of each person's ear canal will lead to differences in the tightness of the earphones, and the degree of airtightness will also greatly affect the sound quality. For this reason, Huawei FreeBuds 5 is equipped with an ultra-wideband real-time listening optimization function, which can accurately compensate for missing parts and restore sound quality. Performance, presenting the best sense of hearing. This is Huawei's latest wireless Bluetooth headset. Its original drop-shaped appearance can be said to be quite amazing. With 3 classic appearance and color matching, it is quite attractive to consumers in terms of appearance, coupled with the top noise cancellation and sound quality experience of this headset. What are you waiting for? Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.